And now, 60 seconds with Chief Obi. American muscle car or German luxury?
Luxury, one day. German. Not just any German, no. Just get the car. Bentley. So I'm park your motor like this. And now Johnny will motor. I get park your lose laws here like this. I can now walk the mother.
Dark skinned girl or fat? Take time.
I like things that arrive. So I go for the fair complexion.
Egusi soup or abono?
Go for it. Confirm.
When you visit Nigeria, do you prefer Lagos or the village?
I prefer the village because everybody can dish here with the okay.
Okay, what do you prefer? A girl who can cook or a girl who can clean?
She has to have both of them. How can you cook and you cannot clean?
You can only do one.
My father always says the way to a man satisfies his stomach. So a girl who can cook.
So your house will be dirty.
Well,
okay.
That's why you can hire people.
Would you prefer 8 girls or 1 boy?
Huh?
8 girls, having 8 girls, or having 1 boy?
8 girls. Well, if you want to think technically about it, 8 girls means more money because each girl, if her bride price is something like that, would go to 3 million.
Right.
With the Hindus up there, that's 3 million naira times 8. That's too much money. I can always adopt a son. Or if I go with the girls.
24 million in your pocket.
Hey, we take a container from Dubai.
Okay, flavor or semi bubble?
Chineke, why are you doing this? Flavor, Sony bubble won't get sour, no, can't flavor. Woman, give me bottom,
Okay, last question. What do you think about the young people in the Igbo culture today?
When I think about Igbo culture, living in a foreign land doesn't mean you should forget your Igbo roots.
Right.
You should forget your Igbo culture, the language, and every other thing. So it's important that we try to retain our legacy, our culture, and there is an express Igbo class that one can take to learn about Igbo culture, language, taboos, do's and don'ts of the Igbo culture. So it's a thing of joy to know something like that is out there, and I encourage people. Umaka mụrụ umaka na-amaghị asụ Igbo, umaka chọrọ ịghọta Igbo, ga-echi ịghọta ihe m soga ga-amụta Igbo through that Igbo Express class. Ọ dị mkpa, it's important. Ịghọtago? Confirm.
Thank you, darling.
Fine lady, CC baby, Boshe lady, busting my head, oh baby. Some people them hear my song start to celebrate. Some people them hear my song start to jubilate.